Hi, welcome to Camp Brood and our review of Bowling Green, KOA in Kentucky. Bowling Green is a nice halfway point between Michigan and Florida and is centrally located in many different ways. We stayed here overnight during spring break and would like to share our experience. Our brood really likes staying here. The last time we spent the night in Bowling Green, it was in a Wal-Mart parking lot. This is much better. As with most KOAs, it is conveniently located off I-65. Check-in was easy and the staff was friendly. The pull-through sites are big and ours had a patio, chairs, fire pit, and full hookup. When we pull in, we look forward to a little recreation when we stop for the night. When traveling cross-country, our favorite distance is between 500 to 600 miles per day, so we pulled in around 5 p.m. and had plenty of time to explore. As we walked our dogs, we noticed that most sites were level and average to better size for KOAs. There's a pavilion in the back of the property for socializing and hanging out. The roads were gravel or asphalt and in good shape. We also saw a few dumpsters scattered strategically throughout the park so you didn't have to carry your garbage from one end of the campground to the other. In front of the park is miniature golf and 2 catch and release fishing ponds. Nothing was biting when we were there. One of our sons didn't get his pole out of the RV, so he made one out of a tree branch. The miniature golf looked like it was a lot of fun. However, it wasn't ready for the season yet. I like the multicolored surfaces. Many mini golf courses at campgrounds are too tight and the holes are spaced too close together. Bowling Green KOA used more land and better landscaping to make it a memorable course. The pool is opposite the campground office and wasn't open for the season. It's about 30 feet by 70 feet and has a lot of surrounding concrete to spread out and enjoy summer days. The playground is small but has 2 really nice structures. The first structure includes a tower with tunnel over swings finishing with a slide. The second structure is a ship with multiple floors. Both are in great condition and the footing is soft mulch. There is also a bounce pillow on site. If that's not enough, across the street from the campground is Warren County Parks. If you are looking for more recreation, there's tennis, inline hockey, baseball, softball fields, and basketball courts. For those who enjoy a nice walk, the park includes a lot of land, a nice pond, and an aviation park with 5 military aircraft. The dog park is decent in size. The structures when we were there were a little old and needed updating. Thankfully, according to their website, there are new agility items in the park and it looks much better. Our dogs tend to spend their whole time in dog park sniffing for the smells of all the other dogs. The park allows for them to get off leash and do their thing for a little while. My daughter also enjoyed running our black lab through the agility course. Dog bags are available, and if you're a dog person, you know how delightful it is to see the dog bag station at a campground. In summary, we would like to thank Bowling Green KOA for their clean campground. It was in a perfect location for us to enjoy a much needed night of a little recreation and rest before we pressed on to Florida. The location is perfect with access to a beautiful park across the street and close proximity to shopping in case you don't want to make dinner or you need supplies. We'll put a link to the KOA website in the below, and thank you for your time. If you'd like to find out more about Camp Brood, visit our website at campbrood.com. You can also find us on Twitter and Instagram, where our account is Camp Brood. Thanks so much. Have a great rest of your day.